welcome to the rainforest. It's time to say goodnight to all the wonderful animals who call this magical place home. Would you like to help? Let's begin our journey through the rainforest and see who's ready for bed. Hello, toucan. You've been flying high among the treetops all day. Can you say goodnight to the toucan and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, toucan. Hello, sloth. You've been hanging around and taking it easy. It's time for you to rest now. Can you say goodnight to the sloth and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, sloth. Hello, jaguar. You've been prowling through the jungle all day. Now it's time to rest. Can you say goodnight to the jaguar and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, jaguar. Hello, parrot. You've been chattering and singing all day long. It's time for you to sleep now. Can you say goodnight to the parrot and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, parrot. Hello, monkey. You've been swinging from tree to tree all day. Now it's time to rest. Can you say goodnight to the monkey and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, monkey. Hello, frog. You've been hopping around the rainforest pond all day. Now it's time for you to sleep. Can you say goodnight to the frog and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, frog. Hello, butterfly. You've been fluttering through the rainforest all day. It's time for you to rest. Can you say goodnight to the butterfly and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, butterfly. Hello, baby elephant. You've been playing in the water and exploring all day. Now, it's time to snuggle up and sleep. Can you say goodnight to the baby elephant and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, baby elephant. All the animals in the rainforest are now tucked in and sleeping soundly. It's time for you to close your eyes and dream about all your adventures in the rainforest today. Good night, little one. Good night, rainforest. Sweet dreams and good night. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more bedtime stories.